Welcome to the Landis Performance Channel, and this is the second episode of What's in the Garage. Now, we missed September because of LS Fest. We had 2 weeks of get ready, and then we were gone for a week, so we really didn't get a whole lot done in September. But now it's October, and we are about to head to South Carolina for a 90K grudge race, and let's see what's in the shop. We still have the 33 Ford. We got the radiator back from paint and some of the front end parts from powder coat. We have half the exhaust done, but you look at the link above, we ran into problems with the stainless tearing up bandsaw blades, and we bought a new chop saw, which we just got the other day, and so we will get back on the exhaust and get that finished up. We got the new Griffin radiator back from the paint shop. You can see it's all good and shiny. Tank's all nicely painted and fan shroud all reassembled, ready to go in the car. And we got the hood support rods all back from powder coat, so we can reassemble that and put that all back on. We have this sweet 67 Camaro in. A couple years ago I did a ZZ4 383 and a 4L65 transmission package, and then we did a complete Ride Tech suspension with 9-inch rear end. Here's the engine bay. And unfortunately, it's a little dirty with overspray. The car just came back from the paint shop. It had been in a rear end collision, and that is the reason it's here. We have to put a new wiring harness in the back of the car. So the back end is all fixed. We put LED taillights in, so we're wiring that and replacing the main harness to the back of the car. And that's a shot of the interior of the car. Dakota digital gauges. And vintage air conditioning. We all did this a couple years ago, but after the car was fixed at the body shop, they realized the fuel gauge didn't work and it had some taillight issues, and that's the reason we're putting the wiring harness in the vehicle. And we'll do some service work and get her all back up to speed. Here's the 54 Chevy. We did the complete drivetrain swap in it, 383 engine, 700R Ford trans, 10-bolt rear end, 4-wheel disc brakes, Wilwood master cylinder, stainless brake lines, stainless fuel lines, dual exhaust, Dakota digital gauges, floor shifter, Old Air Products air conditioning. Keep an eye out for the upcoming video for this. We now have 350 miles on it, and it's ready to go home. And the 84 Monte Carlo SS, Papa Smurf Jr. She's ready to go in the trailer for the October 21st, 22nd small block shootout in Orangeburg, South Carolina. Got some maintenance done to it, oil change and valves adjusted and all the nitrous bottles topped off. She's all ready to go. We'll see you. Show everybody up there, Florida guys are representing. Anyway, so that's what's happened in October in the shop. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, ring the bell for instant notifications. See ya.